Good morning, Wall Street. Pete Sigdo in crypto with this quick update. This is just a quick Bitcoin update. 2.54 trillion market cap. Talking about that this morning. Please come on over, hit the like and subscribe. Giving you a quick update. And looks like we're going to hit 64,200. Looking like a big possibility on this double bottom here. So if you see this price here where we hit, it does look like we may be getting something similar to this W. So please be very careful. Not financial advice. Just a gentleman twice as nice. Coming to you real quick and live. Hit the like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. We're at all-time high subscribers. We do appreciate you very much. Good morning, Mr. Seller. We're not doing anything but a 5-minute video if possible. Imagine that. So I do not take, please do not take any bad feelings or hard feelings if we don't take your comment, but we're going to do a really quick video on Bitcoin, and that is it. So watching Bitcoin right now, this is what we're looking to happen. You can see everything I just did, right? Pay attention. This is a daily candle. And right now, currently, as I said, there was a certain confirmation if we hit and fell below. We are in this trend line. I'll go to the 4-hourly real quick so you can see. We're in this trend line right now. So if we can hold this, none of that will occur, and we will actually be fine, and they'll buy this dip, and we'll be fine. So we have 2 hours and 53 minutes. We're looking at around 12 o'clock. So around 12 o'clock Eastern time. If you're paying attention, please hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Right now, that would be a significant bounce back to the upside, and we would be very bullish from there. But currently right now, I do believe we may be doing that double bottom situation that I just showed you here. So please pay close attention to the fall, what's happening right now. If we do break below there, that is what our issue is. And we actually had this days ago. 64,200 was a possibility, right? All the way as 71,000 was our other. We said it could come to 71. I think we actually did do that, right? 72 and change. What happened here? We fell pretty big from 72.7. So that's where we're getting major resistance. I just wanted the people to understand that this is a big deal. We're creating new higher lows still as we continue. So all of this is pretty bullish right now. You can see what's been happening, right? Creating new higher lows each time, how bullish it really can be. So just keep it in mind of what is going on. If we continue to stay in this pattern, this is obviously what's going on. Boring sideways action, and we will blast off in the upward W. So I want people to understand that. It is very important to see what happens. Once we go through the 64.2, I'll be buying like a madman. Dollar cost averaging in. What will I be doing? Well, every time it gets to a certain price. Right now we're at 67.8. So if you wanted to buy and you thought that 65.5 was the bottom here, right here where there's a lot of support, 65.5, I'd purchase a little bit. And then at that point in time, as you can see, 65.5, dollar cost averaging, maybe a couple 100,000, whatever makes you feel good, right? We're talking about cryptocurrency right now. And Bitcoin is it. It's very important to talk about what Big Daddy's doing. And I think we're still getting a new higher low, creating an upstream here. So all this could be erased, the small time frames, but if you pay attention to really what we're doing here, creating new higher lows, upward W on the daily, it looks fantastic. I love it. So if we do get this low, we're going 65.5 next level. We usually give you a 3. We're only giving you a 2. 64.2. What do I think about Jasmy? I really do want to go. I said 5-minute video, and we are at 3. So you're really lucky. I'm not trying to talk shiz, Nick. I'm just saying you're lucky. We have 2 minutes. We could do it. Let's do it. This is what I do for you guys. Very, very bearish, just like the rest of the market. Triple top here, just like everything. And it's kind of crazy because what I predicted was... I predicted we'd come down to about here and test again, and we're getting that down spout. So I do think that's where we go. What are we doing? We're going to test that 0.018 of a cent, and then hopefully get this lift off. It looks scary. It looks like a triple top, right? We're looking at the daily here. It looks like a terrible, terrible, ugly triple top. Well, it can be, so please be super careful. But a lot of people do see a bullish flag in here with an upward W coming. So it is very, very important that once we go, and you can see here, once we go to that area, if we don't bounce, we're in deep, deep doo-doo. So this is a daily candle. We have so much time. We have 11 hours. We have just about 11 hours. So pay attention to the price, see how important the resistance is here on this side, and then look how important support here, and then major support on the very last few days we were here for Jasmy. So all we're doing is getting a double top M. If it does reject, we know we're in great shape. We know we're in great shape. I don't need no indicators to tell me that. I don't need none of that stuff. So talking about Jasmy real quick. Why? Because some of the subscribers are very invested in that, and they're very important. And what's happening? Well, every time we get this boring sideways action and Bollinger Band tightness, you can see a breakout's getting ready. And I think this is a fake out. So I think what's happening, we're going to come down, test again. All you could do is dollar cost average in and hopefully get that bottom price where this line is at the 0.0182-ish. And it seems to be great support. EMA exponential moving average is getting super tight. Jasmy's looking to get a huge breakout. Is it to the downside? Yeah, we're getting a triple top. And you know what's happening? It is saying that a lot of the uptrend is weak. So please be super careful. That's why I say dollar cost average in. Right now, these levels are higher each time. Look at that. Higher. Are we getting a real dip down? You will find out shortly. Like I said, we start dipping below. We start finishing candles below here. And this is it's a huge daily candle. So right there, 10 hours and 50 minutes, you're going to get your answer. I don't think we're going to come down all the way through here and not receive a bounce. I think we get a bounce. So Wall Street, Pete, sick though in crypto. The trillions are coming out. 2.7 trillion. We were just about now looking at 2.54. I'm sure if I hit the refresh, money's coming out, or it will come out. The FOMO in is the same as coming out. It's called the FUD. Fear of uncertain doubt. That's what happens to people when the price goes down. They think they get a better gain of price. And little do they realize it's not the smartest move in the world. Anybody remember Taboo? We talked about Taboo on the channel. That was kind of cool token. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Taboo is supposed to be like the porn, fans only of cryptocurrency. So if anybody wants to check out Taboo, we talked about it like a year and a half ago. We talked about that being pretty special. So you guys have a wonderful day. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick though in crypto. Stay classy, my friends.